Hello friends. Many believe that this ancient technology was once used to build the pyramids of Egypt. The story of that amazing work of the past is still alive today. What do you think? Everyone here is just kidding. Wait a minute. Their skill is truly commendable. But in addition to this, the builders have also organized a small 1 o'clock fire 100 to add fun and beauty. It looks like work and entertainment are mixed together. The Tibetan people have turned work into an art form. They build roads by mixing gravel, stone, and mud. They work to the tune of music in such a way that the words of their heritage blend into the soil. Gina uses tricks and techniques that seem like magic. They can destroy the entire 1 o'clock circle without using a single drop of explosives. It's truly a story of making the impossible possible. Not only bridges, but also huge barns can be demolished with skill and strategy. With their perfect planning and craftsmanship, this huge structure turns into dust in an instant. It looks like a work of art. This is the concession that has set a new standard for teamwork. Their coordination is so perfect that it can even outshine his automated machinery. No, there are some jobs that are just not jobs. 101 When you see a beautiful scene, you feel like you're watching it over and over again. Drones have become an invaluable asset in construction work in difficult terrain, a technology that was unimaginable even 9 years ago. What once seemed impossible is now a reality. Not yet. At 9 o'clock the construction of an elevator starts with this perfectly round base. And these builders know exactly how to complete this task with absolute perfection. These tasks require not only courage, but also the mental preparation to give up the illusion of life. This is not just work. This is a real struggle. With just a few small ingredients, a few drops of epoxy resin and a little patience, you can create a 1 o'clock floor that will wow your guests. And then you'll be sitting on your money. It's as if they have set a new standard for teamwork. No. Do you know what this giant machine could be? It weighs about 1,000 tons and it works so fast. It can build an entire 1 o'clock bridge section at a time. Its power and efficiency are bound to dazzle your eyes. No. It's not like it's a machine. It's a giant, like something out of the Mad Max universe. No. Nothing seems impossible in front of this monster. Its diamond coach disc has 91 teeth, which can cut through any hard object in an instant. Not only that, but looking at him, it seems like this is a school in a whole neighborhood that has really taken the skill and design to another level. Every machine here is operated by remote control, keeping safety in mind. It is another amazing example of technology. Jaya says that this finishing moment is the most important. This is the stage when everything has to be done perfectly. 1 o'clock, a small mistake can ruin the beauty of the entire work.